Good morning, it's January 23rd, 2016. This is the Blizzard 2016. Emerson turned 19 weeks old yesterday. This is her first major snowstorm. It's been snowing for about 18 hours. And just to give you a little bit of look what this looks like my front porch. We had several to 6 inches, I'd say, or more on the front porch. So this is where the dogs can come out and do their business. I just finished shoveling this. We got about 16 inches. I measured about an hour ago. Might be 17 now. So I just cut a path to the driveway. I'm told that they won't get the plows out to the secondary roads until maybe Monday, so we might be in here for a while. Thankfully we still have power, which is a good thing, but the worst is yet to come, I'm told. The wind's probably about 15 miles an hour. It's pretty. There's my garage, so I guess I'll have snow dumping in as soon as I open it to get the bigger shovel. To put Jude's car in the garage, here's my car. There's my neighbor up on the hill. So that's about it. We'll check back in a little bit later. Saturday, January 23rd, it's 2 p.m. We're 24 hours into Blizzard 2016. I just did phase 2 of shoveling and not making a whole lot of progress. Pretty much shoveling out where I've already been, but let's see what it looks like. See, it's still coming down really hard. We're expecting it to continue into this evening around 10 o'clock tonight. National Weather Service has projected 30 to 36 inches for our area. So we'll get back out here. And go back down to the driveway. Jude was out earlier, helped out by clearing some of this area that had already packed in another 4 inches or so since last time, and actually was out on the back porch as well, which is nice and full of snow. You can see out here I've still got a lot of driveway to go, but I'm expecting to be here for another 3 days before we can get out, so there's plenty of time. Got some neighbors out here with a snow blower. You can see that investment in my future, along with a generator. Other than the wind, which picked up to about 30 miles an hour, it's pretty peaceful out here. Car is still buried. And making some progress here, trying to get the garage all cleared so at some point we can get Jude's car out of there. And I'm making a mound over here. This is taller than I am, and I have to shovel out in stages and just throw the snow over this mound. It's got to go somewhere. And that's it. We'll check back later.